we have to go for this question to find inverse by elementary operation, and then we have to solve the equations. Now, it is 8 2 1 4 1 2 and 3 1 2. Step 1 now. Interchanging the rows R1 to R3. Now we are having 1 2 2 2 1 1 8 4 3 with 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 A. Step 2. Now what we have to do, we have to make A21 0. So we can go directly for step 2 and step 3. Okay. Now R2 approaches to R2 minus 2 R1 and R3 approaches to R3 minus 8 R1. So we can continuously go for the 2 steps. Now we are having here 1 2 2 as it is. Okay. Then 0 0 1, we are not changing row 1. Now for the first part, for applying this step, now it is 0 minus 3 minus 3, 1 minus 2 to the 4, 1 minus 2 to the 4. Similarly this side, now we are having 0 1 and minus 2. For next step, we are having here 0, then 4 minus 8 to the 16, 4 minus 16 minus 12, and 3 minus 16 minus 13 is equal to 1 0 and minus 8. 1 0 minus 8. Okay. Now step 3. Step 3, we have to make A22 as a 1. Now R2 approaches to 1 upon minus 3 with R2. R2 approaches to 1 upon minus 3 with R2. Now yes, 1 2 2 0 1 1 0 minus 12 minus 13 with 0 0 1 0 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 1 0 minus 8. Okay. So we are having, let me check it once again, 0 1 by 3, it will be minus 1 by 3, 0 minus 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Here it will be positive because we are dividing by minus 3. Okay. So be careful when you are writing the steps. Then we are having 0 minus 12 minus 13 1 0 and 8. Good. Now step 4. Step 4, now we can change it minus 12 to 0 or whatever you wish, you can go for it. Okay. So step 4, we can go for R1 approaches to, now we are having R1 approaches to R1 minus 2 R1, R1 minus 2 R2. R1 approaches to R1 minus 2 R2. Okay, so we are making this first, this as a 0. Now we are having we are getting 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 minus 12 minus 30. This side we are having here 1 0 0 0 1 1 and my 0 minus 12 minus 30. Now 0 0 1 R1 minus 2 with R2 0, sorry, here it will be 0 with 2 by 3, then 1 minus 2 into 2 by 3, so it will become minus 1 by 3, yes, minus 1 by 3. Then we are having 0 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 0 minus 8 with it. Okay, so step 4, now we are having 0 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 0 minus 1 by 3 2 by 3 1 0 minus 8. Okay, good. Now let's move for step 5. Now here I have gone, instead of making this as a 0, I have used this thing for making it as 0 because it was the comfortable step. Okay, even you can go for this also. Then you can go systematic, then this 0, then this 1, 0 0 and again this as a 0. Okay, so moving for step 5. Now step 5 will be R3 approaches to R3 plus 12 R2. Now I am making R3 plus 12 R2. This I have to make at a 0. Okay, so we are having now 1 0 0. First step as it is, because we are changing R3 0 1 1, then 0 0. Now R3 is minus 13 plus 12 into 1, so it will become minus 1 is equal to, now we are having 0 0 and minus 1. Okay, that side first two steps as it is, 0 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 0 minus 1 by 3 2 by 3, and then 0 minus 1 by 3 2 by 3, and it will be, last will be, okay, now 1 0 and minus 8, so this will become 1 minus 4 and 0. Now you can check it, R3 1, this 1 plus 12 into R2, 1 as it is, 0 0 plus 12 into R2 is what, minus 1 by 3. So this cancels, 3 4s are 12, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Okay. Similarly minus 8 plus 12 into 2 by 3, 3 4s are 12, minus 8 plus 8 is 0. Okay. So we can move like this one, step 5. Now step 6. Now what we can do it, we can make this step, instead of minus 1 here, we can go for positive of 1. So we can write it R1 R3 approaches to negative of R3. Okay, and then we can make this as a 0 also. So two steps continuously, R3 approaches to minus 1 with R3, step number 1, and step number 2 can be R2 approaches to R2 minus R3. Yeah, it will be 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So now we are having 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is equal to, now this side, first of all R3, this will become positive, then all the signs will be changed. So we are having now 0 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, then 1 minus 13 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 1, 4 and 0. So we are getting the inverse. Again, be careful when you are doing the question. Now let's check it this step. Okay. So this step is minus 1 by 3 R2 minus R3. So we are having here now minus 1 by 3 minus with minus 4. Okay, so that is plus 4. So we are getting minus, this is 13 by 3. Now multiplying both sides by A inverse. Now A inverse is equal to 0 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 13 by 3 2 by 3 and minus 1 4 and 0. This is one answer. Okay, this is one answer. Now we have to solve the equations. Now let's write the equation. We are having 8 4 3 2 1 1 1 2 2 with x y z is equal to 19 5 and 7. 19 5 and 7. So let this be P, this is x is equal to this is Q. Now x is equal to already, okay, this is already A. It is given A to us, so it is A, x and let it be B then. Now x is equal to A inverse B. Inverse we are already having. Okay. So x is equal to now 0 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 13 by 3 2 by 3, minus 1 4 and 0 with 19 5 and 7. Okay. Now for the final stage, x is equal to, now 0 with 19, 0 plus 2 by 3 with 5 plus 10 by 3 minus 7 by 3. Then 19 minus 65 by 3 plus 14 by 3. And lastly we are having minus 19 plus 20 plus 0. X is equal. Now on solving, what we are having, x, y and z is equal to 10 minus 7, 3 upon 3 is 1, 19 3s are 57 plus 14 minus 65, 2 and 1. So we are getting the answer as x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 1. Now let's verify it. Okay, verification. Now x is 1. We are having 1 plus 8 plus, sorry, 8, it is 8. 8 plus 8 plus 3, that is 19. Okay. Then second equation, 2 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. And for the third equation, now 1 plus 4 plus 2, that is 7. So verification is okay. It means our answers are perfectly right. So these are the answers.